guess you know now, baby.
Guys, so first up, I'm just showing y'all the comb, the hairpins, the elastics, and the big sexy hair that we're going to use for our hairstyle. So the first thing you're going to do is take your rat tail comb and just kind of part your hair on the sides. It doesn't have to be perfect at all because, guys, keep in mind this is a messy bun. So we don't want any precision because we are doing a messy bun. So now I'm just going to comb through where my part is. Also, guys, keep in mind this is a frontal. So this is like a frontal. There's no hair left out. This is 100% a wig. Okay, this is a wig. So if your wig is secured on good, you will be fine. So I'm just combing it to my liking. I'm going to actually put the elastic band on it. Actually, I'm just going to comb it one more time. Like I said, the part for some reason is like still showing. So we are going to try to get that little part off of here, and we are just going to put the hair up into a ponytail. So now you're going to grab your elastic and put it in a ponytail. So brush again. I did spray it. I don't know why I didn't show you guys, but I did spray it some because for some reason my part was like still freaking showing. Like that's the only thing. But anyway, I'm just going to tie it in that elastic band right now to my liking. It doesn't have to be super tight, but you want it to be like tight enough so once you pull the hair, which you'll see in a second, I'm gonna pull the hair, that it goes up. And I'm not gonna hold you. I was really feeling it like this, like, okay, bitch. We might have to wear this another day. But now I'm just gonna take the hair, I'm gonna wrap it around almost like a ninja bun, but it's not. I'm gonna get one of the little hairpins and pin it up in there. For some reason my hairpin is like not trying to work, y'all. These long nails be too much. But anyway, I'm just gonna pull it apart some, and now I'm gonna show you guys just a little one curl that I'm gonna go in with. But that's it for the messy bun part. It's super easy. Pull it apart and that's it. Now we're gonna take our one curler. I do not know the exact size. I wanna say this might be an inch or 1.5 inches, something like that. Or I don't even know. I don't have the packaging to tell you guys, it's so old. But I'm just going to wrap it around into some wand curls and just make this style look super cute and girly and take my time. Usually I like to hold my curls for about 15 to 20 seconds depending on how tight I want it to be. This is definitely more of a wavy style, so you don't have to hold it so tight. Y'all, you're just going to repeat the same process. So I'm going to take another piece on the other side and do the same thing. So basically, depending on the sizes of the pieces, the tighter the curls will basically be. So if you want your curls to like really stay, I would suggest you do smaller pieces. Like pieces like this will probably work fine. And then drop it. Actually, that piece I'm probably going to go back and do it again because for some reason I was holding it like at a weird angle. So now you'll see I went back and did it again, and then once I let it go, you'll see that I have more of that curl that I want. Voila. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side as well. And that's pretty much it, mamas. So I hope you guys like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment for sure comment for sure what other styles you want me to do. I can't even freaking talk. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. And hit that post notification bell now.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you.